students. In this section, I will discuss one more important topic, that is function. Okay? Function. Function already we have learned in the first period. In the first period, we learned the definition of function, types of functions like constant function, identity function, signal function, modulus of function, and greatest integer function, as well as polynomial function. Okay, the extended part in second period is some more types of functions like 1 1 and 2, 1 and 2, invertible function, and composition of functions. Okay, before going to the topic types of function, just I will recall the definition of function that you have learned in first period. Now, definition of function. A relation, already you know that the relation, a relation f from set x to y. A relation f from set x to y is said to be a function, said to be a function if every element of set x, has one image in set y. Okay, listen. A function is a relation. Function is also a one relation. The function f from non-empty set x to non-empty set y is said to be a function. Okay, a relation f from x to y is said to be a function if every element of the set x has one and only one image in set y. All the elements of the set x has only one image in y. That means a function an ordered pair x comma y belongs to a function f. Ordered pair x comma y belongs to a function f. This is nothing but such that f of x is equal to y, where x is a first element and y is a second element of an ordered pair. That ordered pair belongs to the function f. Then we have to write f of x is equal to y. X belongs to the set x and y belongs to the set y. F of x is nothing but the y only. F of x is nothing but y, where f of x is the image of element y. F of x is f of x is an image of x. Okay, observe here. If x comma y belongs to f, y is called image of x. Image of x. Y is a image of x and x is pre-image of to D. Observe here. All the elements of this set X has images. These are all elements of X and A, B, C, D are elements of Y. These elements are called images. A, B, C, D are called images of elements of X. 1, 2, 3, 4 are called pre-image of any element of the set Y. Okay, these are all pre-images and elements of Y are images. Okay, so all the elements of this set X are only one image, having the only one image, that is one having the image A. Okay, only one image. 2 having the image, that is C. 3 having only one image, that is B. 4 having the image, that is D. All the elements having the only one image in Y. So this is a function. Okay. I will say another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is set Y. Okay. Function from the set X to Y. Here also a function from X to Y. Okay. Function here from set X to Y. Okay. So observe here. 1 is related to 5, 1 is related to 6. 2 is related to 7, 3 is related to 8, 4 is related to 9. Is this a function? No, this is not a function because element 1 has 2 images. Element 1 has 2 images, that is 5 and 6. Though this is not function. Not function. Why it is not function? Element 1 has 2 images. But function definition is all the elements of X have only one image. But here element 1 has 2 images. That's why this is not a function. Clear? Observe this also. This is set X. This is set Y. Here A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. A function here from the set X to Y. Okay. So observe here. A is related to 1, B is related to 1, C is related to 3. Is it a function? No, this is not a function because element D has no images. Element D has no image. Okay, so that's why this is also not function. Not function. Is it clear? So, is this a relation? Yes, it is a one relation, but not function. Okay, this is also one relation, but not function. That's why I will say all the functions are relation. All the functions are relation, but its converse is not true. That is, all the functions are relations, but all the relations are not function. Clear? Okay. Function is also called as mapping. Function is also called as mapping. Okay. So here f of x is called image. F of x is called image. This is the elements of the set X, that is denoted by the small letter x. Okay. These are all the elements of the set Y, that is taken as f of x or y. F of x or y. That is f of x is equal to y. F of x or y. All the elements of this set Y are taken as f of x or y. Clear? Now move on to the types of function. Types of functions. The first type is one-one function. First one is one-one function. It is also called as injective. What? Injective function. One-one function or injective function. Okay. The definition of one-one function is f from x to y is said to be one function or injective function. Is said to be one or injective, if the images of already you know that the word image, okay, the images of distinct elements of x, under the function f are distinct. Observe. What is the definition? A function f from set x to y is said to be one function if the images of distinct elements of x, distinct means different, okay, the images of different elements of x under the function f are different. Okay, observe. I will explain this by giving an example. Okay, observe here. This is the set x having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and the elements of y are a, b, c, d and e. Okay, the function is mapping from the set x to y. The function is mapping from the set x to y like this. 1 is mapping to element A, 2 is mapping to D, 3 is mapping to B, 4 is mapping to C, 5 is mapping to element E. Observe here. All the elements of this set X, have the different images. Okay, different elements of the set X has different images. So 1 has image A, 2 has D, 3 has the image B, 4 has the image C, 5 has the image E. Different elements of the set X has different images. That's why this is one function. This is one function. Okay, see another example. I am taking the set A and B, a function f from mapping set A to set B. A having the elements 10, 20, 30 and 40. B having the elements A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so 10 is mapping to the element A. Next 20 is mapping to the element C. 30 is mapping to the element D and 40 is mapping to E. The images of 10 is A, 20 has C, the image of 30 is D and image of 40 is E. All the different elements 10, 20, 30 and 40 are different elements of the set A having the different image. That's why this is one function. This is also one function. Okay, observe the another example. This is set X having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the set Y having the elements 100, 200, 300 and 400. Observe here. 1 is mapping to the element 100. 1 has the image that is 100. 2 has the image that is 100 only. 2 has the image that is 100 only. Next 3 has 200 image. 4 is mapping to 300. 5 is mapping to 400 and 6 is also mapping to 400. This is not a function. This is not a one function. Observe here also 5 and 6 have the same image, that is 400. That's why this is not one function. Okay. If a function is not one, then it is called many to one function. Many to one function. If function is not a one, then it is known as many to one. Okay. Definition of many to one is the function. If a function is not one, is known as many to one. Clear? This is a many to one example. Name only suggests that 1 to 1 means a mapping from one element to one. Okay, here many to one means the images of distinct element are same image. Distinct element is same. That's why this is many to one. Many functions having same image. Many to one. Clear? This is one function and many to one function. Okay. Also, for mathematically, f of x is an image, right? F of x is image. Here different images. That's why I am taking f of x1 and f of x2. F of x1 and f of x2. Okay. F of x1 and f of x2 are any two images in the set Y. Any two images. That is different. Images also different, right? That is distinct, right? That's why f of x1 is not same as the f of x2. Not same as means this is not equal to. F of x1 is not equal to f of x2 for all elements x1, x2 belongs to the set X. Okay, x1 and x2 are any two elements in the set X. Then f of x1 and f of x2 are images of x1 and x2 present in the set Y. F of x1 is not equal to f of x2 means f of x1 and f of x2 are not same. Those images are different. For which element? X1 and x2. Images of distinct elements, that is x1 and x2 are also different. Also different means x1 is not equal to x2. Observe here, f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. This implies x1 is not equal to x2. Okay. Conversely, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, f of x1 which is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. Observe here, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 means those images are same image. F of x1 and f of x2 are same. Same for the same elements. So x1 has the image f of x1 and x2 has the image f of x2. Those elements are equal. For all x1, x2 belongs to the set X. Okay, this is the mathematical definition of one function or injective function. Is it clear? If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, this implies x1 is equal to x2. For all x1, x2 belongs to the set X. Okay? Is this clear? Okay. Now move on to the next function, that is onto function. And the second one is onto function. Onto is also called as onto or subjective. What? Subjective. What is the definition of onto? Listen carefully. Onto function or subjective function. A function f from x to y is said to be onto function every element of y are the images of some elements of x. Some elements of x under f, under the function f. Observe now. If function f from x to y is said to be onto function or subjective function if every element of the set y, all the elements of the set y are the images of some of the elements of x. Images of some elements of x under the function f. Observe here. I am writing a function f from x to y, x having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and y having the elements a, b, c, d. Okay. All the elements of the y are images, right? Elements of the set y are the images. Okay. What is onto here? Every element of y, that is a, b, c, d, are the images of some elements of x. All the elements are images of some elements of the set x. That is, one is mapped to a, one having the image a, 2 is having the image b, 3 having the image d, 4 is mapping to c. Okay, so observe that all the elements of this set y are images. A is image of 1, b is image of 2, c is image of 4 and d is the image of 3. It is simply to say that there is no extra element in this set y. For R2, there is no extra element in this set y. Okay, in the set y, in this set y, there is no extra element. Okay, so see another example. Set a function f from x to y, x having the elements 1, 4, next 25, 36 like this. Okay, y having the elements 1, 2, 5 and 6. Okay, so 1 is mapped to the element 2, 4 is mapped to the element 1, 25 is mapped to 5, 36 is mapped to 6. All the elements of the set y are images of some element of x under the function f. So this is also onto function. Onto function. This is also onto function. Observe the another example. A function f from a to b, a having the elements 1, 6, 3, 2, minus 1. Okay, b having the elements 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. So 1 is mapping to 3, 6 is mapping to 4, That can be written as the image of the 1, that is f of 1, which is equal to a. Okay, so f of 1 is equal to a. All the elements of the set Y, there exists an element that is 1. So B exists an element that is 2. Okay, that can be written as what? F of 2 is equal to B. The image of the 2 is B. Okay, then C exists an element that is 4. That can be written as f of 4 is equal to C. Okay, next the element D, there exists an element in X. There exists one element in the set X, that is D exists an element 3. That can be written as f of 3 which is equal to D. f of 3 is equal to D. Okay, in generally I will write like this. For any element Y belongs to the set Y. Y, small letter y is an element of the set Y. Okay, there exists an element small letter x. There exists an element small letter x belongs to the set X. X belongs to set X such that f of x is equal to y. What is the meaning of f of x is equal to y? The image of x is y, or the element y exists an any element in the set X. Y, there exists an element in the set X, that is f of x. That's why f of x is equal to 1. Here, for the proving purpose, in the problems I will write this only. For any y belongs to y, there exists an element x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to y. This means a onto function. Clear? Also observe here. What is the domain? Set of all elements of the set X, right? So in the function also co-set X is called domain. Okay, here also domain is equal to co-set. That is, for this example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements of domain. This is equal to set X. Okay, what is co-domain? Co-set Y is called co-domain, right? That is co-domain is equal to what are the elements of set Y? A, B, C, D, which is equal to the set Y. Okay, what is range? Range of the function 1 1 and onto function. Next one is 1 1 and onto 1 1 and onto or bijective or bijective. Okay, what is by here? By means both. By means both. Observe here, the next function is 1 1 and onto function. 1 1 and onto function. It is also called as bijective function. Bijective function. What is the definition of bijective function? A function f from x to y is said to be a function f from x to y is said to be bijective function. Is said to be bijective function if f is both 1 1 and both 1 1 and R2. Observe here, a function f from x to y is said to be a bijective function or 1 1 and R2 function if f is both 1 1 function and R2 function. Both 1 1 and R2 function. If a function is 1 1 as well as and then it is called a bijective function. Okay, so a function satisfying 1 1 condition also onto function, then it is called bijective function or 1 1 and 2 function. Okay, see an example. This is set x set by a function f from set x to y. X, the elements of x are 1 2 3 4. Elements of y are a b c d. Then 1 is mapping to a, 2 is mapping to b, 3 is mapping to c, 4 is mapping to d. Okay, this is the example for bijective function. Why it is bijective function? Observe here. First, bijective function means it is 1 1 and R2. For 1 1, what is the definition of 1 1? The images all the elements of the set X are distinct elements of the set X having the distinct images. Is it? Distinct elements of the set X has distinct images. That's why this is a 1 1 function. Observe here, 1 has the image A, 2 has the image B, 3 has the image C, 4 has the image D. Okay, so distinct elements having the distinct images. That's why this is 1 1. This is 1 1 function. Also, what is R2? Every element of the set Y are the image of some elements of set X. A, B, C, D are the elements of Y. A, B, C, D are also having the pre-image. A has the pre-image 1, B has the pre-image 2, C has the pre-image 3, D has the pre-image 4. That's why this is R2. If a function satisfying both 1 1 and 2, then it is a bijective function. Observe another example. Set A, set B. A function here from set A to B. Element A having the elements 10, 20, 30, 40. And B having the elements 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. In mapping the element 10 to 100, 20 to 200, purpose. Okay, so that is 1 1 not 1 1 1 1 not 1 1. What is 1 1? Let an element x1 comma x2 belongs to the set X. This implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies that x1 is equal to x2. x1 which is equal to x2. Okay, for the 1 1, for proving the function is 1 1, we do like this. Take two elements in the set X, that is x1 and x2 or belongs to the set X. Okay, then what is 1 1? Distinct elements having the distinct images, that is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies that x1 is equal to x2. Okay, this is 1 1 function. For not 1 1, let x1 comma x2 belongs to the set X. This implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to x2. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to x2, then it is not 1 1. Okay, now move to the onto function. For onto every small letter y belongs to the set Y, there exists an element that is small letter x belongs to X such that f of x is equal to y. Already I explained this. Okay, such that f of x is equal to y. Or if they ask the given function is, prove that the given function is undo, then we prove like this. Okay, for the given function. Or if codomain is equal to, which is equal to range, then it is onto. Then f is onto. Okay, now not onto. If for any for any element y belongs to set Y, then there exists small letter x belongs to X such that f of x is not equal to y. If f of x is not equal to y, then it is not onto. F of x is not equal to y, then it is onto. If f of x is equal to y, then it is onto. Okay, for any y belongs to y, there does not exist any x belongs to the set X. Any x belongs to the set X such that f of x is equal to y. Okay, f of x is not equal to y means not onto. Also, y does n given by f of x is equal to 2x is 1 1 is 1 1 but not and 2 we have to show that the given function f of x is equal to 2x is 1 1 function but not and 2 function. Okay, for this, so here the given function is f from n to n. Function is f from n to n, where n is natural number. A function is defined from the natural number to natural number. That is here domain. This is a domain. Domain is natural number and codomain is also natural number. Okay, domain is natural number and codomain is also natural number. Okay, the domain and codomain are taking very important role while proving the function. Given function is 1 1 and 2. Okay, domain and codomain takes an important role while discussing about the 1 1 and 2 function. Okay, for this function or for this problem, I will take an arrow diagram. If function is f from natural number to natural number, this is the set of all natural numbers. That is, the natural numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. What is the function here? F of x is equal to 2x. That is, function is 2x. Okay, and the other set is, that is also set of all natural number. That is elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. Okay, set of all natural number to natural number. So here observe that the function is 2x. These are all the elements of set, first set. Okay, these are small letter x. These are all f of x values. Okay, f of x is equal to 2x. So here, if you put element 1 to the function, what we get? 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 is mapping to the element 2. 1 is mapping to 2. Okay, if we put second element, that is 2 here, what we get? 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 is mapping to 4. 2 is mapping to element 4. Okay, now if you substitute 3 domain here? Domain is n. x1, x2 belongs to the set n. Then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of 1 is equal to f of x2. First we have to take f of x1 is equal to f of 2. F of x2. Then we prove x1 is equal to x2. Okay, then it is 1 function. What is f of x1? Here f of x is equal to 2x, right? What is f of x1? Replace x by x1. Then we get 2 into x1. Okay, so f of x1 value is 2 into x1. What is f of x2? F of x2 is equal to replace x by x2. That is 2x2. Okay, then observe here in the LHS 2 and RHS 2 value get cancelled. Remaining is x1 is equal to x2. First we have to take f of x1 is equal to x2. Then we prove x1 is equal to x2. Therefore given function f is 1, 1. F is 1, 1 function. Clear? Now move on to the onto function. Observe here. For proving onto, consider any element in the codomain set which is not image. Okay? I am considering the element 1. 1 is not image of any element. Okay? So, for 1 belongs to the codomain set, that is n. For 1 belongs to n, there does not exist any x belongs to the domain set. There does not exist any element x belongs to the domain, that is capital letter n natural number such that f of x is equal to y. Okay, here first we have to take for y is equal to 1. So the element y has 1 belongs to the codomain set. There does not exist any x belongs to the domain set such that f of x is equal to 1. What is f of x here? F of x is 2x. Substitute f of x is 2x, which is equal to, what is y? We are taking 1. F of x is equal to y, that means 2x is equal to 1. What is the value of x? Transpose 2 to the RHS, that is x is equal to 1 by 2. X belongs to the domain set, that is natural number. 1 by 2 belongs to natural number? No, right? That's why this does not belongs to natural number. That's why I am telling that domain and codomain set takes a very important role while we are proving 1, 1 and onto function. Okay? So does not belongs to natural number. That's why f is not onto function. Not onto function. This is the way of proving the given function is 1, 1 and not onto function. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. That is show that the function f from real number to real number. Here domain is real number and codomain is also real number given by the same function f of x is equal to 2x is 1, 1, but this is onto function. Okay, observe here. Here the given function f from R to R, that is from real numbers to real numbers. real numbers. F is equal to function f is equal to 2x. Function or f of x is equal to 2x. Okay. Real number having the elements like this. It include negative number, also positive number, 0, plus 2, minus 2, next root 3, including square root values also. Next 1.5 like this. Okay, this is also set up for real numbers. A function f from real number to real number. Okay, observe here. If you substitute minus 1 here, what we get? Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So 1 is mapped into the element minus 2. Minus 1 is mapped into the element minus 2. Okay. So plus 1 we substitute here. 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 is mapped into element 2. Element plus 2. Okay. So 0. If we substitute 0 here, 2 into 0 is 0. 0 is mapped into 0 only. Okay. So for 2, 2 2s are 4. 4 is mapping, 2 is mapped into 4. Okay. Minus 2 means, minus 2 is mapping to, minus 2 is mapping to minus 4. Minus 4. Okay. Root 3, if we substitute root 3 here, what we get? F of x is equal to 2 root 3. Okay. So if we substitute 1 point here, okay. So 2 into 1.5. 2 into 1.5 is 2 into 1.5. What we get? 3, right? Sorry. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is right. So 1.5 is related to 3. So 1.5 is mapped to 3. Observe here. This is both 1 and 2 because all distinct elements of the first set, distinct element of the first set having the distinct images. Okay, that's why this is 1 function. This is also onto function because all the elements of this set are, all the elements of the codomain are images of some elements of the domain. All the every element of the set R exist as element in the set R. That's why this is R2. Okay, so for mathematically, this is same as previous one. Given that f from R to R, we place n by R to R. F of x is equal to, as f of x is equal to 2x for 1 1. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to the domain. Here domain is real numbers, that is capital letter R. Then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Here f of x1 is given 2x1, which is equal to f of x2 means 2x2. Here also 2 to get cancelled, then x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 function. For onto function, observe here. For onto function, for every y belongs to codomain set, that is R. For every y belongs to R, there exists x belongs to domain R. Okay, x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. Okay, here f of x is 2x, which is equal to y. 2x is equal to y. Before going to prove the R2, we have to f of x is equal to you have to write like this only for onto function. F of x is equal to f of the value of x is y by 2. The value of x is y by 2. Okay, which is equal to f of x means 2 into x. F of y by 2 means replace x by y by 2. That is 2 into x. If we replace x by y by 2, we got 2 into y by 2. 2 into y by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Then the LHS same as it is. F of x is equal to remaining is y. We put f of x is equal to y. Then it is f is onto function. F is onto function. Okay. The given function is both 1 and onto. That's why this is bijective function. Is it clear? It is very important for proving onto. Before proving the onto, the given function can be represented in terms of x. In terms of x. Then we substitute the value of x in the place of x here. Okay. So f of x is equal to f of the value of x is y by 2. Okay. F of y by 2 means f of x is equal to 2x. Then f of y by 2 is 2 into y by 2. Then we get 2 to cancel. Remaining is y. We proved f of x is equal to y. This is the condition for onto function. Therefore, the function f is onto function. Clear? Now move on to the next problem. That is, now move on to the next example. That is third example. Show that the function from natural number to natural number n to n given by f of 1 is equal to given by f of 1 is equal to f of 2 which is equal to 1 and f of x is equal to x minus 1 for every x greater than 2 is onto but not 1 1. What you show here, the given function f of x is equal to x minus 1 is onto function but not 1 function. Okay, solution. Also they given f of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 1. They only given the value of f of 1 is 1. The f of 2 is also 1. So given f of 1 is equal to f of 2. If you prove in 1 what we do here? 1 is equal to 2. Okay, we need to prove 1 is equal to 2. But they only given the value of f of 1. F of 1 value is 1 which is equal to f of 2 value is also 1. But 1 is not equal to 2. Okay, 1 is not equal to 2. 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 is equal to 2 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. But f of 1 value they only given 1. F of 2 is also they given 1. 1 is equal to 1. But 1 is not equal to 2. That's why the given function. That's why therefore f is not 1 function. Not 1 function. Clear? Now move on to the onto for 1 they only given that f is not 1 so we prove f is not 1. Okay, now move on to the onto function for onto. Okay, Before doing the onto function, the given function f of x is equal to x minus 1 in terms of x. We have to write the given function in terms of x. That is f of x is equal to x minus 1. The value of f of x is y which is equal to x minus 1. Okay, y is equal to x minus 1. Then the value of x is transpose minus 1 to the LHS. We got the plus 1. That is the value of x is equal to y plus 1. X is equal to y plus 1. Okay, now move on to the onto function. For every y belongs to the codomain set. Here codomain set is natural number. Y belongs to natural number. There exists x belongs to the domain. Here domain is also natural number. Okay, such that f of x is equal to f of the value of x is y plus 1. Value of x is y plus 1. That is f of y plus 1. Okay, which is equal to f of x is x minus 1. Then replace x by y plus 1. Replace x by y plus 1. That is y plus 1 minus 1. Y plus 1 minus 1. Here plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled and the remaining value is y only. What we prove here? F of x is equal to y. If f of x is equal to y, then given function f is onto. Here, now move on to the next problem. Now fourth question is, show that the function f from R to R, show that the function f from real number to real number, R to R, defined as f of x is equal to x square. What? F of x is equal to x square is neither 1 1 nor onto. Is neither 1 1 nor onto function. We have to show that the given function is neither 1 1 function nor onto function. Okay, observe here. Here the domain is real number and codomain is also real number. So for better understanding, I am using the arrow diagram for this problem. Okay, so arrow diagram like this. Real number to function or from real number to real number. What is the function is here? F of x is equal to x square. Okay, real numbers containing the elements plus 1 or minus 1, 0, plus 2, minus 2, root 3, minus root 3 and so on. Okay, this is also set of all real numbers. Okay, so observe it. If you put 1 here, so 1 square, what we got? 1 only. So 1 is mapped into the element 1 only. Okay, if you put minus 1 here, what we get? Minus 1 whole square, that is plus 1, right? So minus 1 is also mapped into the plus 1 only. Okay, so 0 is mapped into 0 square, that is 0. 0 is mapped into 0. 0 is mapped into 0. Okay, now is also mapping to +3. Okay, from the arrow diagram, observe here 1 and -1 are distinct elements but having the same image. Here 2 and -2 are the distinct elements but having the same image, that is 4. √3 and -√3 are the distinct images but having the same image. That's why this is not a 1-1 function. Clear? 1-1 function means distinct elements of the domain set having the distinct images. But observe here, distinct element having the same images. 1 and -1 having the same image 1. That's why this is not 1-1 function. Okay? So, for and observe here, real number containing negative number also. Right? Negative number also. ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ -1, -2, -3 and so on elements does not having the any pre-image. That's why this is not AND function. -1, -2, -3, that is all negative real numbers. All negative real numbers are not the image of any element of the domain set. That's why this is not AND function. Clear? But we are proving by mathematically like this. For 1-1. Observe. For this is not 1-1, right? This is not 1-1. For not 1-1 or for not AND, we have proved by taking a counter example. Okay, so I am taking the element 1 only. F of 1 is equal to 1. F of -1 is equal to 1. So image of 1 is 1. Image of -1 is also 1. That is f of 1 is equal to, I am taking the first, f of 1 is equal to f of -1. What is the image of f of 1? That is 1, which is equal to image of -1 is also 1. But 1-1 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? 1 is equal to -1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So these two elements are distinct ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, that's why this is not 1-1, but 1 is not equal to -1. 1 is not equal to -1. Therefore f is not 1-1. F is not 1-1. Clear? Okay. Here for all 1, -1 belongs to the domain set, that is R. You have to write that 1, -1 belongs to R. Okay. Now move on to the AND function. Okay. So for proving AND, this is not a AND function, right? For proving AND, I am taking an element that is not a image of any element. I am taking the element -1. -1 is not a image of any element value, substitute here x square which is equal to y value is minus 1. I am taking minus 1. X square is equal to minus 1. Simplify this. This implies x is equal to plus or minus